Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will break down the HP Designing Aruba Solutions exam syllabus so you know exactly what to study and where to focus your time. The exam is split into 5 domains with the following weights: Mobility Solution Design 33%, Wired Solution Design 22%, Aruba Solution Management and Security 20%, Planning and Documenting the Design 13%, and Strategy and Analysis 12%. Difficulty levels range from easy to hard and assessments combine scenario-based, conceptual, and hands-on tasks, so expect practical design scenarios throughout the exam. Mobility Solution Design carries 33% of the exam and is the most time-intensive with an estimated 24 hours of study and hard difficulty. You will learn to architect high-density wireless environments and mobile-first campus solutions using Aruba AOS8X, including RF planning and site surveying to evaluate interference, determine AP counts for capacity and coverage, choose AP models and antennas, and design for 5 GHz primary coverage and signal-to-noise targets. The domain also covers AOS8X infrastructure design such as mobility conductor hierarchies, clustering for high availability, scaling controllers, implementing multi-zone for multi-tenant security, and planning live upgrades for seamless maintenance. Wired Solution Design accounts for 22% and is medium difficulty with about 18 hours of study and scenario-based assessments. You will design resilient and scalable wired networks on Aruba AOS-CX and AOS-S, selecting switch models for access, aggregation and core, implementing VSF for access stacking and VSX for core redundancy, and calculating PO and power needs for IOT and APs. The syllabus also covers wired protocols and topologies, including Layer 2 design and spanning tree optimizations, OSPF and BGP for campus backbones, link aggregation with LAP, MTU and jumbo frame planning, and measures for loop prevention and stability. Aruba Solution Management and Security is 20% of the exam, marked hard, and combines conceptual and scenario questions with an estimated 16 hours of study. You will implement robust security frameworks and centralized management across wired and wireless infrastructure, starting with ClearPass policy management for 802.1x and MACOF workflows, integrating ClearPass with Active Directory and external identity providers, building device profiling and posture assessment strategies, and designing guest self-registration portals and downloadable user roles. The domain also covers network management and monitoring tools such as Aruba Central for cloud management, Airwave for on-prem monitoring, NetEdit for AOS-CX automation, SNMP and syslog configuration for visibility, and Visual RF for real-time heat mapping and location services. Planning and documenting the design makes up 13% and is rated easy with around 8 hours of study split between hands-on work and conceptual tasks. You will finalize deliverables that stakeholders expect, creating a comprehensive bill of materials using IRIS, developing logical and physical network diagrams, documenting IP addressing and VLAN allocation schemes, and producing both high-level and low-level design reports. The domain also requires defining success criteria and planning user acceptance testing so installations meet business and technical requirements. Strategy and Analysis is 12%, medium difficulty, and takes roughly 6 hours to study with conceptual and scenario-based questions that focus on upstream planning. You will gather customer requirements by identifying business goals and technical constraints, assess existing infrastructure for compatibility, analyze application performance and cost needs, determine security compliance and regulatory requirements, and define user and device density expectations to guide the overall design. This domain ensures your design decisions map back to measurable business outcomes and operational constraints. To prepare effectively, align study time with the domain weights, prioritize mobility and management and security, and practice end-to-end scenarios that include RF planning, switching architecture, policy design, and final documentation. Focus on hands-on labs for AOS8X and AOS-CX, build sample bombs and diagrams, and rehearse the scenario-based problems you will encounter on the exam. Good luck and study smart.